Where can I find the reset button on my Whirlpool refrigerator?
Hello there. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to find the reset button on your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you're experiencing any issues or need to reset certain functions on your fridge, locating the reset button is the first step. So let's get started.
Locating the reset button.
Whirlpool refrigerators usually have their reset button located in a specific area. To find it, follow these steps. 1. Check the control panel. Start by examining the control panel on the front of your refrigerator. Look for any buttons or indicators that stand out. 2. Inspect the dispenser area. If your refrigerator has a dispenser for water or ice, the reset button is often found nearby. Take a close look at the dispenser panel and surrounding area. 3. Check the interior. In some models, the reset button may be located inside the refrigerator. Open the refrigerator door and inspect the walls, ceiling, or back panel for any buttons or switches. 4. Consult the user manual. If you're having trouble locating the reset button, refer to your Whirlpool refrigerator's user manual. The manual usually provides specific instructions and diagrams that can help you find the button's exact location.
Resetting functions.
Now that you've found the reset button, let's talk about how to use it to reset certain functions on your Whirlpool refrigerator. Please note that the available reset options may vary depending on your model, so it's essential to refer to your user manual for precise instructions. Here are some common functions you can reset. 1. Ice maker. If your ice maker is not working correctly, you can often reset it by pressing and holding the reset button for a few seconds. This action will initiate a restart of the ice-making process. 2. Water filter indicator. Some Whirlpool refrigerators have a reset button for the water filter indicator light. When the indicator light comes on, indicating the need for a filter change, you can press and hold the reset button to reset the indicator and extend the filter's life. 3. Temperature settings. In certain models, the reset button can be used to reset the temperature settings of your refrigerator and freezer compartments. Again, consult your user manual for specific instructions on how to perform this reset. Remember, it's always best to refer to your refrigerator's user manual for precise information on how to reset specific functions. This will ensure you follow the correct steps and avoid any potential damage. That brings us to the end of our video on finding the reset button on your Whirlpool refrigerator. We covered the steps to locate the reset button and discussed some common functions you can reset using it. I hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.